Hi guys, today we will talk about how to get premium on your Reddit app. We will go to figure out the solution on how can you add this premium on your Reddit app. You just go up here in this picture on app, you will click, then this window show for us, then you just click here on settings, then we come to settings window here in this window, then you just click here on get premium, then it's going to show for you like this, and there is a lot you can hear, so you can get avatar and a lot of things here in this window here premium, and you just here you click to pay this premium here for yeah, this for year and this for month. So you just click and add your information cards, and it's going to add your premium on your Reddit app. So that's all now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.